Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. To make this hair oil, take a fresh aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly, then cut the leaf into small cubes. After that, take half a bowl of melted coconut oil and add aloe vera cubes to it. Then warm the oil by placing it in a hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, don't heat the oil, just place the container in a hot water. You can stir the oil using a wooden spoon. Let the oil take up all the goodness and nutrients of aloe vera, repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Let it cool down for some time, then strain the oil and it is ready to use. Apply this oil on your scalp, massage it gently in a circular motion. Let it sit for about 40 minutes to 1 hour, then wash off with mild shampoo. If you want, you can leave this oil overnight and shampoo your hair the next morning. Aloe vera may help activate new hair growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp and delivering several important vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil and aloe vera make an excellent conditioning combination which helps seal moisture to your hair shafts. This oil will contribute to maintaining your hair so you won't have to get trims as often, letting you retain your hair's length. Aloe vera softens and conditions the hair. Regular use helps restore shine. It also helps curb hair fall and controls hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe your scalp of irritation and aggravation. Aloe vera is high content of protein, vitamins and minerals. Help it nourish your follicles and hair efficiently. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and most important is to subscribe my channel for more informational videos.